The next type of video actions are position and rotation actions. Frankly, I never use these, but you might find them useful. The first video action we're going to add is a positioning action. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click the video action with the plus sign. And under position, I'm going to enter 400 by 400. So essentially what this is going to do is it is going to move my visible window 400 pixels to the right and then 400 pixels up. So let's just take a quick look at this one. And that was a positional video action. Now let's try some rotational actions. I'm going to go ahead and activate the clip, then click on Action. So under X rotation, you see this little wheel or this little circle with the dark point on it. If you click on it and then rotate it around the wheel, you will see a rotation through the X axis. So that is a X rotation. You've also got Y rotation. If I click on this, now it's going to spin along its Y axis. And then finally, we have a Z rotation, which is going to spin the entire frame like this. So let's add one X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation action and see what it looks like. And that's it. Positional and rotational actions.